Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how I did this painting. This is my biggest work so far, so it took me quite a long time, and I didn't use any masking fluid for it, so I just used black ink to work around the edges really carefully. So yeah, a lot of people on Instagram actually were guessing how I did this, so I'm going to share with you today, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I hope you enjoy the video as well. Let's get started. So that's how I did this work. I hope you liked the video. And for those who noticed, I did try to tape it down in the very beginning. I couldn't find a melting board that's big enough, so I tried to tape it down on the table. But unfortunately, the table was way too smooth for the tape to stick. So it did come apart later, but I guess that's life. So luckily I only need to work in wet in the very beginning, so I guess the tape served its purpose, kind of. So yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe and leave me a comment, and you can follow me on Instagram as well for more updates on whatever I do on a daily basis. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.